The Healthy Glow for Our Kids' Soul energetic frequencies were designed with kids in mind. So they may be similar to what you see in the adult frequencies, but they're especially designed for children in the intensity and the amount of time and things that only an energetic world, I guess, can understand. But you definitely want, if you're an adult, you want to listen to the adult frequencies. And if you're a child under the age of 13, you want to listen to the children's frequencies because that's exactly the age group that they were designed for. The kids' release is similar to the adult release, where it helps them release things that get in the way of their own healing process. The kids' let it go frequency is the same as the adult one. It too talks about our emotional and physical attachment to cysts. And you would use this the same way that you do with the adults. So it's every other night before you listen to release. The kids' parachute frequency is awesome. It's for any time of extreme emotion, and we can play this for our children when they are experiencing that. And it's very often in my world at 5 years old. So that's very helpful for me. And the kids' Candida Crush, just as it is my favorite for myself, it is my favorite for my son. I found that Candida is really the underlying cause for just about everything that I'm dealing with and my son is dealing with in our physical world. And releasing the things that the Candida Crush does helps us to control our Candida. And for children, that shows up in ADD. And I found that I'm getting better attention and from my son and a little less hyperactivity when he listens to the Candida Crush. The Alexa Support My Immunity frequency for children is the same as the adult version. And it's any time that they're feeling run down or that you feel like they need some immunity support. It's great for that. The kids' happy histamine also helps children to get rid of the ick, like it helps adults get rid of the ick. It is focused on balanced and harmonized histamine levels that help us keep those allergies in check. The Kids' Sweet Harmony is great if your child is hangry. That really helps me when I'm out and about and I don't have any snacks for my son. This one is a godsend. But also if they're just kind of out of sorts, out of balance, it's a great frequency to listen to help them get back into balance. The final frequency is Kids Quench. So anytime your child listens to happy histamine or any of the frequencies that you feel that he or she needs to have a little bit more hydration, the Kids Quench frequency is great to listen to in that instance. Well, thank you so much for checking out Healthy Glow and Healthy Glow for our soul and our kids' soul energetic frequencies. And I look forward to sharing more with you sometime soon. The Healthy Glow for our kids'